It's causing power outages and flooding in some low-lying areas. Our Jacqueline Abad is live in Seaside. She's showing us some of the damage there.
Dan, Jennifer, you can see that the rain is really coming down. We're here along Highway 101 near the Circle Creek RV resort, but here in this parking lot you can see how deep this water is. It's about 4 to 5 inches deep, and this is what drivers are seeing along the highway. Take a look. You can see the drivers are slowly driving through that high water. Now the weather is causing some issues from Cannon Beach up to Astoria. On our drive to Seaside, we saw a down power line. Electrical crews have been out all day trying to restore power to thousands. Now here over in Warrenton, multiple traffic lights were out, causing some traffic delays, and some businesses say it's more rain than they were even expecting.
The water has come up substantially in the last few hours, so that's when I said, okay, we got to get the sandbags out.
It's great. We love the storms. There's a lot of precautions you have to take, but it's the wild coast, and we love it.
At last check, there's more than 3,300 Pacific Power customers still without power from Cannon Beach to Astoria. If you are driving to the coast, be careful. There are two areas in particular on Highway 26 and Highway 101 that still have high water. You also see some downed tree limbs as you're driving out to the coast as well. So we'll continue to monitor conditions, and we'll bring it to you live at 5 and 6. Reporting live in Seaside, Jacqueline Abad, KOIN 6 News.